አሜሪካን ሀገር ስራ እየፈለጋችሁ ከሆነ ኤቨር ስራ አፕላይ አርጋችሁ የምታውቁ ከሆነ I want you guys to go on this website theworknumber.com በኢኩፋክስ ሆስት የሚደረግ theworknumber.com የሚባለው ዌብሳይት ላይ ገብታችሁ I want you guys to freeze all of your information because ይሄንን ካላደረጋችሁ በስተቀር አሁን አፕላይ የምታደርጉበት ካምፓኒ whatever ትንሽ ኢንትረስት ያላችሁ ካምፓኒ whatever እዛ ውስጥ ገብተው እስከ ዛሬ ድረስ የሰራችሁበትን ስራ ስንት ብር ሜክ እንዳደረጋችሁ እሱን ሁላ ምንም ኢፈርት ሳያደርጉ they can pull it out. ኦኬ መቼ ያንን ስራ እንዳቆማችሁ ይሄን ሁላ ነገር ያለ እናንተ ፈቃድ ስንት ብር ሜክ ያረጋችሁ እንደነበረ ያቃሉ so I need you guys to go to this website and then request a data freeze an employment data freeze የሆነም ለራስ ያረኩት ነው that's why I'm telling you and then I want you guys to share this video share አርጉት repost አርጉት a lot of people need to know this ሁሉም ሰው ይሄንን ነገር ማወቅ አለበት because this is not okay it's our privacy. It's our privacy. Companies should not know how much we make, okay? They should not know how much PTO we used. They should not know when we stopped work. I mean, I guess they can know that. But they should work for that. But they should not know how much you made. That's not legal. Please share, repost. ለሁሉም አበሻዊ ስራ የሚፈልግ እንዲደርስ ፈልጋለሁ because ሌሎች ካምፓኒዎች ስንት ብር አሁን ላይ ሜክ ያረጋችሁ እንደሆነ ካወቁ they will you will not be able to negotiate because they know how much you're making so they will be like okay you're making $15 an hour how about 17 that's $2 more you can't say 20 because they know you're making 15 you know what I mean so go in there request an employment data freeze placement please do that Equifax and a host የሚያደርገው theworknumber.com ብላችሁ ነው የምትገቡት okay Bye. Share, repost. Follow ካላረጋችሁ ደግሞ follow አድርጉ